Tonight, the Fulton County Jail taking a positive step forward, improving health care for those in the county's custody. The Fulton County Jail just received reaccreditation for health services. Atlanta News First senior reporter Patrick Quinn live outside the jail. Patrick, there's been a lot of bad news from that facility. This is actually some welcome good news.
Doug, it's refreshing to be out here. I know you've been out here as well over the course of the last 4 or 5 years, and there's been a lot of bad news that has come out of the Fulton County Jail. Today, though, is not one of those days. And the sheriff, Pat Labat, he's celebrating this reaccreditation, this stamp of approval by the National Commission on Correctional Healthcare. And this all comes while we have seen a lot of deaths since 2023. 18 people in the county's custody have died at this facility. Now, what does this reaccreditation mean? In short, the jail is now up to standards of care set by this correctional health agency. This is a voluntary accreditation. Physicians and medical experts, they visited the jail. They assessed the conditions, patient care, treatment, the personnel. A sheriff's spokesperson told me this does not mean that the jail was not providing adequate health care services before. This just raises the bar. And in a statement, Sheriff Labat, he celebrated the healthcare reaccreditation, saying, "This accreditation sends a clear message that we are moving in the right direction and reaffirms our commitment to real change." Now, at the same time, it's not all good news. I just checked. There are 39 people in the county's custody inside right now who are sleeping on the ground. Once again, the jail is dealing with an overcrowding issue. Officials from the jail, they say this is because 2 cell units, they're currently under renovation. So they had to move everyone out of that area so they could rebuild that area. And they say once that's finished, by the end of October, those people on the ground right now, they should be able to move back into beds. Outside the Fulton County Jail, Patrick Quinn, Atlanta News First.